Hi, it's me, Melanie, founder and creator of the YouTube channel Living Luxuriously for Less. In 2013, I started my YouTube channel to share my passion for celebrating and decorating luxuriously for less. It was there that I realized my passion for decorating far exceeded my passion for my day job. I would often find myself at work daydreaming about sketches for upcoming events, doodling layouts for the room design, and digging through tons of data in order to find the perfect party pieces. I dreamed about the day that I would be able to leave my corporate haven to become a full-time party maven. About a year ago, I joined the eFavorMart affiliate program, and I could not be any happier with my decision. Now, at first, I was extremely nervous because I wasn't quite sure how an affiliate program worked because honestly, I'd never been a part of one. But thankfully, they were great people. The setup only consisted of a few simple steps. And if you can walk and chew bubble gum at the same time, you can certainly do this. Now here is how it works. Using your affiliate link, you can drive customers to their site in order to make a sale. And from every sale that you make, you will earn 10% of commission for that sale. Within 6 months, I was able to generate over $2,000 a month average in commissions. And I did that just by sharing with my community, nothing extra. So once I posted a YouTube video sharing a party or wedding or an event, I shared that link down in my description box, which drove my community to make a sale. Now, just like that. I mean, it's just that simple. And to top it off, in the same year, I was able to achieve my dream of spending more time with my family and becoming a full-time party planner just by joining their affiliate program. Click on the link in the description box below to join eFavorMart's affiliate program now. Once you're done, all you have to do is share your links, sit back, relax, and wait on the money to roll in. Cha-ching!